In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI to moderate product reviews as well. So let's go ahead and navigate over to features again here in our AI section. And to enable product review moderation, we're just going to go ahead and enable that and hit save. Now I've added some products to the system as well. So we're going to navigate over to the live version of my site. All right, then we're just going to go ahead and place an order for a product. So just navigating over to the products section, and I'm going to go ahead and buy this cat bed. And let's just put in some information. So let's go with, we need to actually put in an email address, bruce@demo.com. And then we can say Bruce Lee and give him the rest of his information here. There we go. And we're just going to go ahead and place that order. All right, so now that he has placed that order for the cat bed, Bruce can come along to our products. We can see the details for this cat bed and we can add a review. And what Bruce can do is come here, bruce@demo.com. I'm going to go ahead and leave a review that is selling something. So I bought this cat bed and it was subpar. I actually make and sell cat beds of my own. My business is called Cat Heaven, and our beds are better and cheaper. Rather buy a bed from us. Send me an email at bruce@demo.com. All right, then we're going to go ahead and add that review. And you'll see that no reviews are showing up because if I navigate back to my admin area and I come here to my products and I go to product reviews, you'll see now this product is pending. So it hasn't quite picked up on the fact that I'm selling something here, but I can then click into this and say, oh, well, don't really want that. I think it's pending because there's so many typos in here, but I'm going to go ahead and reject that. So it's picked up that was a bit of a sketchy comment, and it's decided to, ask for me to review it. But let's go ahead and leave another product review. And so now I'm going to edit my review and we're going to go ahead and say, what an amazing product. And then we're just going to go ahead and edit that review. And you'll see then it's been automatically approved. So AI was like, yeah, no, that's okay. We can approve that. So if I again navigate back to the admin area and I go ahead and refresh this, you'll see then because that was edited as an edited comment, it's been approved by the AI. So the AI in the system is, again, just like with blog comments, it's going to moderate our product reviews depending on the language used in that review. So that is how you can use the AI in the system to moderate product reviews. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can create and edit text using the AI functionality. I'll see you there.